thinking, what do I want to do today? I couldn't come up with anything. So the next best thing to me is to paint my staircase railing, which is an eyesore right now. I don't even know when was the last time they painted it, but it looks hideous. So I'm gonna do that. But before I do, I wanted to take a little time and sit here and meditate a little bit, have my cup of green tea, kind of get in the zone, I guess. But I'll show you what these hideous handrails look like. In one glance, that's what they look like. You look at them like this, you see that a lot of them need to be painted still. But that's okay. That's what we're gonna do today. Trying to get excited about it. And I really think I am, just a little. I love that when I open my door in the morning, Topaz is waiting for her breakfast. She is such a cutie. And yes, Mr. Penelope and Pork Chop also come in at least once a day to get their share of leftovers or other goodies. Nothing will ever go to waste around here, with the pigs volunteering to dispose of anything I don't eat. Beautiful morning. I've been here for a little bit over a month in Hawaii. I have noticed something. The Nastaran in San Diego and the Nastaran in Hawaii seem to be two different people. Not really. My core beliefs are still the same. However, I just have different habits here. For example, when I'm in Hawaii, I eat really good. I crave fruits. I have to have fresh fruits every day. Because of all these good habits, every time I'm back to San Diego, I have lost anywhere from 5 to 8 pounds in a span of a month. I go for walks once, if not twice a day. And I don't do that in San Diego. I hardly ever go for a walk. I'm active, I do gardening, but I don't go for walks. Another thing I noticed is I don't get migraine attacks or fibromyalgia flare-ups. Like, my pain is very well managed. I haven't had a migraine since I've been here. So that's pretty strange, because in San Diego, that's just a part of life, you know. Every once in a while, my pain level just goes up for no apparent reason, unless I'm a little bit stressed out or if my sleep is iffy. My pain level goes really high. here, I've noticed that that's not the case, which is a wonderful thing. So who is this Nastaran here? I kind of like this Nastaran a little bit better than the Nastaran in San Diego. I keep hearing from different people about Hawaii's power of healing, and I'm beginning to think that it truly is true. I don't know if it's the nature, I don't know if it's the weather. There's got to be some magic to this beautiful island itself. I hear from one of our neighbors, and her husband has a neurological disease that he wasn't able to play his guitar anymore because his neurological issue was very progressive. He could no longer do a lot of things he loved, like playing the guitar. That she's been here for about 7 months, and her husband not only is playing the guitar, but he's playing it with his favorite band. I mean, when she was telling me this, she was just sobbing and crying and saying, Hawaii is the one responsible for this. What ingredient in Hawaii I haven't figured out, but this has to be what people talk about, how special the island is. There is an essence that really captures you when you're here. That's what I love. I just enjoy being present here. I enjoy what this beautiful island offers, and what it is that I can put words to and describe is what I know as the magic of Hawaii. Another beautiful day. I'm going for a walk. Want to see my view? So I just got home from a walk, and I go to make some coffee. God, I hope I'm wrong. I think I have fire ants in my kitchen. Well, this is war. Remember how I said I trap spiders and then let them outside? I don't kill anything? Well, this is one of the exceptions. Fire ants in my house. Oh no, this is war. I'm gonna be murdering a whole bunch. Well, the ants are dead. Unfortunately, I had nothing but Windex type thing to battle that. I do have fire ant spray, but I don't know if it's safe to use inside of the house. And I'm itching all over. I know it's not a real fire ant bite, but your mind plays games on you. I'm gonna spray again because I just found a few more live ones. My last days in Hawaii, I'm trying to get as many walks as possible. possible. On one hand, I'm so happy I'm leaving to see Michael and Ava and, my life back in San Diego. But on the other hand, my heart is aching because I feel so connected to this place. I have 2 days left and I need to paint the other set of stairs going up. Hope you can see it. Lots and lots of work, but it's okay. I got my music playing. It's a beautiful day. I'll make it work. It'll be done. I finished layer number 1. I got 2 more layers to go. Eight hours of painting the garage door, 2 primary coats, whatever it's called, and 6 top coats. I think it's finally done. Am I exhausted? Oh yes. And hungry. And thirsty. Okay, alright, yeah, I'm spent. What do you think? I think I finally got it. That's what it took. 8 coats all together. But I'm very happy with results. Just as I finished wrapping up with the garage door paint job, I happened to look up and I saw a magnificent sunset towards the west with such orange and magenta colors. All I know is that I grabbed my phone and I ran as fast as I could to the end of my street, hoping I get a clip of it before it disappeared fast, so I can share it with all of you guys. And here it is. By the way, that night my wonderful friend and neighbor Barb shared her spaghetti dinner with me. You have no idea how much I needed it after 8 hours of painting. In Pahoa, garbage is not picked up by the city. And unless you have a paid service by a private company, people take their own garbage to the transfer station, aka the dump. Here's an interesting fact. In 2014 eruption, lava came inches away from swallowing Pahoa transfer station, but thankfully it was spared by Pele, the goddess of fire. Here is some real footage of lava flow from local news. It's a sobering reminder of how powerful and raw nature can be. After getting rid of my trash, I headed over to Fresh Fish, a local hole-in-the-wall restaurant in Pahoa. Don't be fooled by the exterior of this restaurant. The fish and chips in this place is phenomenal. They only serve the freshest of fish that they catch, and it's the best I ever had. Wanted to show you guys what the fish and chips look like that I got. I got 2 pieces of mahi-mahi, 1 piece of ono with waffle fries. It is so fresh and so delicious. It's been truly magical in Hawaii, and I hope you can see the ocean behind me. That was no accident. I wanted you to see what I see. So, oh, hey you!
It's everybody.
Is he a puppy?
Yeah. Oh, sorry, you lied.
I started to say something, except the dog jumped on me, and a cute little dog. No issues at all. Hey everybody! Thank you so much for watching my video until this point. It really means so much to me that you chose to spend your time with me watching my video. I'm humbled. I hope you enjoyed the magic of Hawaii through my camera. Really tasted the flavor of Hawaii, especially for those of you who are not able to come to Hawaii. So hang in there with me in the next episode, and I will see you then. Until then, keep smiling and mahalo.